welcome back to my channel. Hope you're enjoying my math learning videos. In my last video, I taught you about number partners from 1 to 5. In this video, I will teach you about number partners from 6 to 10. If you don't know what is number partner, I would suggest please watch my number partner video from 1 to 5. Please find the link in the descriptions. Let's see what is number partners from 6 to 10.
Let's take the example 4, 6. What are the number partners for 6? The number partners are 0 plus 6, 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 0, 5 plus 1 and 4 plus 2. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 6, 6 plus 0 and 1 plus 5, 5 plus 1 and 2 plus 4 and 4 plus 2. Let's take the example 4, 7. What are the number partners for 7? The number partners are 0 plus 7, 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 7, 7 plus 0 and 1 plus 6, 6 plus 1 and 2 plus 5, 5 plus 2 and 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3. Let's take the example 4, 8. What are the number partners for 8? The number partners are 0 plus 8, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 6 plus 2 and 5 plus 3. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 8, 8 plus 0 and 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1 and 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2 and 3 plus 5 and 5 plus 3. Let's take the example 4, 9. What are the partners for 9? The partners are 0 plus 9, 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 0, 8 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 6 plus 3 and 5 plus 4. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 9, 9 plus 0 and 1 plus 8, 8 plus 1 and 2 plus 7 and 7 plus 2 and 3 plus 6, 6 plus 3 and 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4. Let's take the example 4, 10. What are the partners for 10? The partners are 0 plus 10, 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3 and 6 plus 4. What are the switch partners this time? The switch partners are 0 plus 10, 10 plus 0 and 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1 and 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 and 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3 and 4 plus 6, 6 plus 4.
Hope you understand number partners from 6 to 10. Now it's time for practice sheet.
Let's do some practice sheet. Here in this practice sheet, we have given numbers from 6 to 10 and one number partner with it. What you need to do is you need to find the other number partner for it. Pause time, guys. If you haven't finished your practice sheet, pause the video. Once you're done, play the video again to verify your answers. Now let's verify the answers. For number 6, the answer is given 5 plus 1. But if you have written 4 plus 2, 1 plus 5 or 3 plus 3, that is also correct because it is the number partner for 6. For number 7, here the answer is given 4 plus 3. But if you have written 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 0 plus 7, 7 plus 0, 1 plus 6, 6 plus 1, that is also correct because it is the number partner for 7. For number 8, the answer is given 6 plus 2. But if you have written 8 plus 0, 0 plus 8, 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3 or 2 plus 6, that is also correct because it is a number partner of 8. For number 9, here the answer is given 5 plus 4. But if you have written 9 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 8 plus 1, 1 plus 8, 7 plus 2, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6 or 4 plus 5, that is also correct because it is the number partner for 9. For number 10, here the answer is given 5 plus 5. But if you have written 0 plus 10, 9 plus 1, 1 plus 9, 8 plus 2, 2 plus 8, 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7, 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6, that is also correct because it is the number partner for 10.
Hope you enjoyed this video and learn about number partner from 6 to 10. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends, see you next time.